HEC انویجیلیٹر ٹیسٹ اپریل 2024 ٹیسٹ کا مکمل پیٹرن اور کے جوابات کے ساتھ ٹیسٹ میں انگلش، جنرل نالج، کوانٹیٹف، ایتھکس اور آئی کیو مضامین ہوں گے، جس کوانٹیٹف اور آئی کیو سے 15، جنرل نالج سے 10 اور انگش اور ایتھکس سے 5 مارکس کے MCQs ہوں گے۔ ٹیسٹ کا پیٹرن اور شامل مضامین کے MCQs آپ ویڈیو میں دیکھ سکتے ہیں۔ ہمارے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں تاکہ آپ آسانی سے ڈیٹس کو فالو کر سکیں۔
What is the plural form of child? A. Childs. B. Childs. C. Children. D. Childs. Choose the correct spelling. A. Accommodate. B. Accommodate. C. Accommodate. D. Accommodate. Identify the adverb in the following sentence. She quickly finished her homework. A. She. B. Quickly. C. Finished. D. Homework. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. He don't like pizza. B. She doesn't like pizza. C. They doesn't like pizza. D. You doesn't like pizza. Choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. They going to the park every weekend. A is B, M, C, R, D, B. If x equals sign 3 and y equals sign 5, what is the value of x plus y? A 8B, 10C, 15D, 35. What is 20% of 150? A 30B, 40C, 50D, 60. Solve the equation. 2x plus 5 equals sign 15a, x equals sign 5b, x equals sign 7c, x equals sign 8d, x equals sign 10. If a shirt costs $20 and it is discounted by 25%, what is the new price? A. $5 billion. $15, C, $18, D, $25. What is the next number in the sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8, A, 10B, 12C, 14D, 16. Output. Complete the analogy. Cat is to feline as dog is to A. Kennel. B. K9C. Meow. D. Fido. If all bloops are razzies and some razzies are lazzies, then some bloops are definitely lazzies. True, false. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Elephant, banana, apple, cat. A. Apple, banana, cat, elephant. B. Apple, banana, elephant, cat. C. Banana, apple, cat, elephant. D. Banana, apple, elephant, cat. If it takes 5 machines 5 minutes to make 5 widgets, how long would it take 100 machines to make 100 widgets? A. 5 minutes. B. 10 minutes. C. 100 minutes. D. 500 minutes. If all gizmos are gadgets and some gadgets are widgets, then some gizmos are definitely widgets. True, false. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? A. Harper Lee. B. J.K. Rowling. C. Mark Twain. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Leonardo da Vinci. B. Vincent van Gogh. C. Pablo Picasso. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Canberra. C. Melbourne. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. Is it acceptable to cheat during an exam? Yes, no. If you witness a colleague cheating, what should you do? Report it to the appropriate authority. What is academic integrity? Adhering to moral and ethical principles in academia, including honesty, fairness, and respect for others' work. Should invigilators treat all candidates equally regardless of personal biases? Yes, no. Is it ethical to share exam content with others before the test? Yes, no.